Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining in. So today I would like to share with you a gift that I made for my granddaughter's pre-K teacher. She will be retiring this year. So I wanted to come up with something that would help her and remind her of all of the good work that she's done through the years with these children. Will have a lasting effect on each and every one of them. So why don't you come on in and let me show you how I made it. I used notebook paper, 2 8x10 picture frames. I got those from the Dollar Tree. And these cap erasers, I used 2 packs of those, and this ribbon, both from the Dollar Tree. And then this is what I'm gonna have on there. So I cut it with my Cricut machine. And then of course you're gonna use this glue gun and tape. The first thing I did was remove the metal pieces from off of the frame. Next, I'm going to take about 6 to 8 sheets of notebook paper, and I'm going to tape it down to the back of the frame. It's the cardboard piece that is used for the back of the frame. And now I'm going to take both pieces and I'm going to glue them together, making sure that the black side is on the outside. Once I finish that, I'm going to glue the glass to the frame. And in this video, I am hot gluing the glass to the frame. The best glue to use is Gorilla Clear Glue to do this part. I did it with hot glue to kind of speed it up to make it do quick, because the Gorilla Clear Glue is going to take about 8 hours to cure. But even still, here with the hot glue, you want to sit something on there that's going to make sure it holds the glass down. And then I'm starting on the second frame, and I'm going to repeat and do the same thing that I did. Remove the metal pieces and then glue the frame in, the glass in. And here I'm just repeating the same steps from the first frame, and I'm going to set it to the side until it's dried. The next step, I'm going to take the cardboard piece and hot glue it to that first frame that has already dried. Next thing I did was glue the top piece down, and I had to find some weights, items that will hold it down to sit on there for about an hour. And I found my weights. I took the little bags outside of my ankle weights, so they work really well for that. While that is drying, I use my Cricut machine to cut the quote that I wanted to put on here. And you really do not need a cutting machine to do this. You could always go to your craft store and just buy the letters that stick, and they come multiple in a pack. But I will say the advantage of having a cutting machine is being able to use the different fonts and the sizing of the letters. And so my next step is to cover the seam between the two frames. I do not like being able to see the glue there, so I'm just going to take the thin piece of black ribbon and I'm just going to hot glue it along the seam on here. And one of my last steps is to hot glue or just glue the border, that white border that came inside of the picture frame. I'm going to glue it on the front to put it border on the outside. And finally, as you can see here, I added in the teacher's name and I put my granddaughter's name at the bottom, and that's it. So I really like the way it came out. So like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel so you can receive future notifications for my next videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.